To register for Lloyds Bank Internet Banking, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, go to the Lloyds Bank website and click on the Register button. You will be asked to enter your personal details, including your name, date of birth, and address. You will also need to enter your account details, including your account number and sort code. Next, you will be asked to create a username and password for your online banking account. Your username must be unique and your password must be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letters and numbers. You will also be asked to set up a memorable answer, which will be used to verify your identity if you forget your password. Once you have entered all of the required information, you will be sent a registration code by text message or email. You will need to enter this code to complete the registration process. After you have registered, you will be able to log in to your online banking account using your username and password. To sign up for mobile banking, you will need to download the Lloyds Bank mobile banking app. You can do this by searching for the app in the App Store on your phone. Once you have downloaded the app, you will need to log in using your online banking username and password. You will then be able to access your account information, transfer money, and pay bills using your mobile phone. It is a good idea to make sure your computer or mobile device is secure before registering for internet banking. This means making sure you have up-to-date antivirus software and a firewall installed. You should also avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your online banking account, as this can put your personal and financial information at risk. By following these steps, you can register for Lloyds Bank Internet Banking and start managing your finances online. Remember to always keep your username and password secure, and never share them with anyone. If you have any problems or concerns, you can contact Lloyds Bank customer service for help.